right, this is one of the methods to make the slide in Onshape. Just might look like that. Yes. Due tomorrow is the pipe spool, so you could start working on the pipe spool. But yes, if you think you have it and you're confident, I'm leaving that up to you. I'm here to help. Okay. Unless you have questions or would like to follow along. So that is kind of a yes, but it's independent on your level of understanding. Yes. Of which one? The slide? No, I don't. So that's why I want you to turn it in. I want you to be confident that you have it right. No, it looks like that, but when you assign a material, it does the whole thing. As long as you have one part down here. So it just says, if it says part 2 and part 3, then you might have done that. But if it's just one part, it only highlights one side, but it does change the whole part. Okay. So back to this video on the slide. I think the way I would do it personally is to choose the front plane and draw this kind of shape that looks like. If I can do some snapping like that, that helps. This is not exactly right, but it doesn't need to be because we have the 3 rules, or very common rules, is start with a sketch and then dimension it. If you don't see this, you can type D. So here I'm going to need to, this is 3.5 all the way across. I can click on 2 different entities. In this case, I'm going to do 2 lines. And 7.5. Basically, I'm just going around till I get all the dimensions that are on the drawing. And if I get all the dimensions, it should turn black. And if I can't figure out why it's blue, I'm going to turn off the dimension tool and grab a point. I don't have that dimension there. And it's not very clear in the drawing, but it appears to be 0.75 also. So this line and this line, escape key is your friend. This line and this line are vertical or collinear. Let's just do the dimension technique. See what I didn't want. This and that. Should be it doesn't like that command. I like that point and that point. Cool. There we go. I could have kept dimensioning, but I was trying constraints method. So now it's black. That's when I can extrude. I started with the sketch. I fully defined it. It has enough information there that I can't move any of the points or any of the lines. It's on that front plane. And then I extrude it a distance. I drew on this front plane, so I kind of tend to like to flip it, going back that direction. It really does not make a difference. It's just a personal thing of mine. That's 6.5 inches. So I drew that whole thing there with one sketch and one extrusion. Now I need to add another. I need to add the two holes up top. For me, I like to sketch, choose the plane, choose the line tool, and make it a construction line. If you're kind of drawing, you may want to look at this again. I can make it line a construction line by highlighting it. I can make a circle of construction line too, and then turning on or off the construction button right here. So by turning that on, I can draw a line on this surface, snap it to the middle, this little orange square, come down here and snap it to the other middle. And now when I draw my circles, I'll turn off the construction line now. I can locate them right on here. Okay, turn off the circle. I will dimension this circle as 1 inch. And turn off dimension. Click on that circle, click on that circle. I can make those equal. So now they're both 1 inch. One is labeled 1 inch, and the other one is equal to that one. So now I can hit the dimension tool, or D on the keyboard. And from here to here is 1.375. And from here to here, 2 clicks, is 3.75. And it's black. Everything's black. The 2 circles are black. Extrude. Remove. Through up. That's it. And all I have to do is change the material. In this case, it's copper. I'm going to change my material to a different thing than copper. I'm going to change it to stainless steel, because I don't want to give away what the mass is. And then this is a material. It is all dimensioned. And then here is what you screenshot, the part and the mass properties. And then that's what you turn in. That's how you make the slide in